Good morning, students of class 6. This is a crash course video of English literature of chapter 2, The People Upstairs, written by Ogden Nash. So the poet of this poem is Ogden Nash. So children, this crash course is being produced to you so that you understand the things which you have not understood. जो भी चीज़ आप लोगों ने नहीं समझा है उसे समझने की कोशिश करें. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स प्रॉपरली. The poem Upstairs is a humorous poem on how it is living with neighbors in the same apartment and probably sharing the same walls. So children, here the poet says how it is difficult to live with the neighbors in the same apartment and sharing the same walls. Okay, जब हम लोग उन लोगों के साथ रहते हैं जो हमारे उन लोग जो बगल में पड़ोसी है हमारे, उन लोगों के साथ रहते हैं और हम लोग जब एक ही वॉल को शेयर करते हैं. नाउ दिस द पीपल आर लिविंग इन अपार्टमेंट एंड दे आर शेयरिंग द सेम वॉल्स. तो ये कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है. इट इज टू डिफिकल्ट हैंडलिंग देम. अगर आपको अच्छा पड़ोसी मिला इट इज क्वाइट गुड, बट इफ यू गेट द नेबर्स हु आर ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व इन disturbing you all, it is too much difficult to handle them. Okay, so the living room is a bowling alley to show how noisy and busy the place is, and the bedroom is full of conductive force. So children, he describes how noisy it is since there it is how noisy and he describes how noisy it is since their living room is a bowling alley. उनका जो living room है वो bowling alley बना हुआ है. They plays in their room, okay, to show how noisy and busy the place is, and shows कि वो कितने busy और कितने noisy हैं. And their bedroom is full of connected tours. और उनका जो bedroom है वो full of connected tours है. He describes how noisy it is since their radio is always louder than yours. He describes, what does he say? That how noisy it is since their radio is always louder than yours. जो उनका रेडियो है वो हमेशा लाउडर बजता है. ओके, जब हम लोग बजाते हैं we play the radio slowly, but their radios are always louder. उनकी जो रेडियो बजती है they are in full sounds, thus in a way invading your space with their entertainment. और जो हम लोग entertainment कर रहे हैं, we are entertaining ourselves by listening the radio or listening the songs, but they are invading our space with their entertainment. तो हमारा जो space है वो उसको invade कर रहे हैं. They are taking the advantage of our leniency. All right. How your ceiling leaks when they take showers. मतलब जब वो शावर लेते हैं, when they are going for bath, how your ceiling leaks. हमारा ceiling क्यों लीक करता है? Meaning water flows from their place to your place. नहीं, जब हम लोग एक वॉल शेयर करते हैं तो वाटर इतने वो लोग जब वो लोग बात करने जाते हैं, that time when they are taking shower, the water flows from their place to our place. इतनी पानी वो लोग वेस्ट करते हैं कि पानी जो होती है, जो वाटर होते हैं वो उनके प्लेस से हमारे प्लेस पे आ जाती है. ऑलराइट. How they tend to make their parties mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks, not knocking if they are used for playing inside the house or fighting. But all in all, the idea of supplying guests in the house with pogo sticks is absurd. So what they do, children? How they tend to make their parties? Mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. जब उनके यहाँ पार्टी होती है तो how do they mix the parties? By supplying their guests with pogo sticks. They give supply their pogo sticks there to their guests. How? Not knocking if they are used for playing inside the house or fighting. But all in all, the idea of supplying guests in the house with pogo sticks is absent. So when they supply the pogo sticks to their people who are coming in the parties, what happens? जब वो supply करते हैं pogo sticks अपने parties में आए हुए people को, they are not knocking if they are used for playing inside the house or fighting. So when the parties are being held, that time the people comes and प्लेइंग के जगह पे, खेलने के जगह पे, enjoying the party के जगह पे वहाँ जो pogo sticks होता था उससे they all started to fight. Alright, so they started fighting. So but all in all, the idea of supplying guests in the house with pogo sticks outside, or all in all, the supplying idea with the pogo sticks is absurd. The writer prefers if the neighbors lived in another floor, since he could even love them more. So what happened, children? The writer prefers. Writer जो हमारे हैं वो prefer करते हैं if these neighbors would have lived in another floor, the neighbors who are living besides him, if they would be living on the another floor, he would have loved them more. जो ये neighbors हमारे पास में रह रहे, अगर वे दूसरे फ्लोर पे रहते, then I would have loved them more. Okay, he was so fed up of these neighbors due to their nuisance activities. Okay, in everything they were making noises and all the activities they were involved were disturbing the writer. Poem ends, and now we'll move to the question and answers. So children, this is the question answers. First one is, what do the people upstairs practice? Answer: the people upstairs practice ballet. The action is too noisy and disturbs their neighbors in the same apartment and probably sharing the same walls. Question number 2. What happens when the neighbors upstairs take a shower? Answer: when the neighbors upstairs takes a shower, their ceiling leak, meaning water flows from their place to poet's place. Question number 3. How do they go to the bathroom? Answer: they enter the bathroom on roller skates. To describe how their movement is too noisy. Okay children, so here the poem and the question answers, this question answers last. So you have to write these answers in your notebook and you have to learn it out. Alright, so children, I think you would have understood the chapter, and stay at home and study hard and be safe. Question. Thank you.